Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn about Sarpanch, Upasarpanch and Secretary. In the last classes we have learnt about elections and reservations in Gram Panchayat, ward members and all, right. So now Sarpanch, Upasarpanch and Secretary, about them we are going to learn. Who are they, what is their work and from which area they are and all. The Sarpanch is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Yes, we all know that for every village there will be a Gram Panchayat, and who is the head for that? Sarpanch. Like we everyone have family, and who is the head of the family? Father, right? So like that, for every Gram Panchayat, Sarpanch will be the head of the Gram Panchayat, means like a leader. He has the responsibility of implementing all decisions of the panchayat and looking after the day-to-day working of the panchayat. So he has responsibility, means he have all the power of implementing, means following the decisions and making others to follow. Like what decision is right, he will take that and he make everyone to follow that. Means what is right to the people, what is wrong to the people, he have that power to select what is good and what is bad for the people and for the serpents, for this panchayat and all. And he'll be looking whether the work is done on a means today what is the work allotted, is the work done by the people or not, what are they doing, is any help needed by the people, where Sarpanch should go and help them. Like that, he'll be looking into the all the matters. The Sarpanch is directly elected by the voters residing within the village. So how is this Sarpanch elected? Means all the village people who are there, they'll be voting directly. They go and they put a vote for Sarpanch, and then he is elected by voting process. The Sarpanch is also responsible for income and expenditure. Teacher not only looking after the work and taking decisions. Sarpanch is also responsible for income and expenditure, means from government what all the funds are released for the for panchayat, no, the money will be kept in the office. He need to see in what way he have to spend the money, like in what things he have to keep the money for the villagers, like what are the things he have to purchase for the village, where he need to give that income to the people, like there's pensions or constructing water tanks, like that. In what way he have to use that money, that is also his responsibility. He need to see that income should be coming and what expenses or what, how to spend the money, what to buy and all, he have to see. Down picture you are able to see, right, that ballot paper and this voter card to the other side, which is in white color and with different symbols. The list is presented, that is ballot paper. You can select, if you want to select one party, you can select, like hand, bat is also there, cycle is there, boat. See, like different symbols are also there. Now we are going to learn what is his responsibility, actually Sarpanch responsibility. As such, the Sarpanch has lot of responsibility, saying that Sarpanch is having so many responsibilities. Like we have to get up in the morning, get ready, go to school, learn, complete the homework, again coming home, going to tuition, all this. In the same way, Sarpanch also have lot of responsibilities, that is many responsibility. In many villages, we see some active Sarpanch who have changed the fate of their village. Yes, in some villages, Sarpanch who is there, he will be working very sincerely and he will change the fate. Means the conditions of the village, he'll change. He makes the condition of the village so improved. Means he'll make normal village to a recognized one, means well developed village with all good facilities he'll be providing for the villagers and all. He'll work for the village, he'll do very hard work for the village and make other people also do in the same way. Upasarpanch, the Sarpanch and ward members elect one of the ward member as a deputy or Upasarpanch. So here what is there, you have learned how Sarpanch is elected. How Sarpanch is elected, all the villagers, they vote and they select whom? Sarpanch directly. They put a vote for him and they'll be selecting him. Now this Sarpanch who is there, that sarpanch, and ward members, all the ward members will be there, no, for each and every ward there will be a ward member, no. That ward members, that all ward members and sarpanch, they vote and they select who upasarpanch, or is called as deputy. Upasarpanch acts in the absence of sarpanch. Teacher, then what is this upasarpanch will be doing? Like first monitor, if first monitor is absent, what will the teacher do? She'll tell that in my absence, or yes, in the absence of first leader, you have to take responsibility being second leader, right? So here the same way, if sarpanch is not there, he went to some other village for any meeting, or if he is not feeling well, in such cases, in that condition, what happens, this upasarpanch will be responsible. He will take care of all the activities, like work has to be allotted to the people, he have to go and find out the problems. All these are work are done by whom? Upasarpanch, in the absence of sarpanch. Now, what does a panchayat do? So now till now we have learnt about sarpanch, upasarpanch and all. So actually what do this panch do? What sarpanch and this upasarpanch will do in panchayat? Let us learn. The village panchayats are responsible for provision of public amenities like maintenance of roads, construction and maintenance of drains, supply of drinking water, street lights, cleaning streets, running ration shops, etc. So these village panchayat are responsible for provisions of public amenities. Like it is responsible, this panchayat is responsible to provide all the facilities to the public, that is for the villages, like maintenance of roads. If any road is not good, not damaged, they'll be making people to work to repair on that. They'll repair the roads, village roads, construction and maintenance of drains. If drainage system is not there, or if any leakage is there, they'll clear that any damage work, they'll be repairing that, and they'll clear the damage work. Supply of drinking water, they'll supply good drinking water to each and every house. Maintaining street lights, they'll arrange street lights in every street. Cleaning roads, that is streets, and providing running shops. By running ration shops, what they do, they provide rations like this rice and all. You all know ration shops, no? By arranging ration shops, they'll provide ration to the villages for lesser cost, showing their, they have to show their ration card and all. So all these works, all these things are looking after by whom? By sarpanch, by panchayat. All these ward members, sarpanch, upasarpanch, they'll be seeing all these works, all the facilities are given to the villagers or not. Are they facing any problem? If they have any problem, they'll solve that problem, like that. They are also responsible for overseeing the functioning of schools, Anganwadis, women and child welfare programs, etc. So not only this, this panchayat is also responsible for looking after children, small children. Are they taking care by their parents correctly or not? Is there any problem with those children? Are they been suffering with any disease or any other problem like no food and all? Or they'll be running Anganwadis, like they'll be providing these facilities in Anganwadis so that children come and join Anganwadis. They'll have nutrition food and all, and they look after the functioning of schools. So if any village has a good school, this panchayat and all will take care of that. If any repair work is there, they'll be doing that. They'll provide good teachers. They'll see that all the facilities are given to women or girls in the school. They'll be appointing good teachers and all. Is any problem there for the women in the village from any man or any other problem, any family problems are there, they'll clear everything, and they'll look after the children welfare program, that children should come to schools and study. They'll encourage them. Panchayat have to plan and execute development work such as minor irrigation, watershed management, land reform measures in the village. Even panchayat will be looking that all these construction of tanks, watersheds, is any damage is there, repair should be done, or any cleaning work should be done, they'll keep some people and they'll make them to clean that. They'll be doing they'll execute development works, like they're looking after different things and making them improved, providing irrigation, minor irrigation water, like they'll be providing tank water to the villages fields, all the fields in a proper correct way, like that. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We are going to learn the rest part of the lesson in the next coming